Hey there, and congratulations on starting your Herbalife journey. So you must be wondering how to make an amazing, Formula One shake. What is the right way? How do I do it? Okay. So let me take you through the step-by-step process. So getting into it, let me share my story. I use these Herbalife shakes, to lose weight, and I've lost, 13 kgs of weight loss. This is my before after picture as you can see on the screen. So they work amazingly. My two most favorite flavors are rose kheer and kulfi. Okay, so today we're currently making a rose kheer flavor. Okay, so let me show you how to make a shake and how you can actually make it better. So now let us get started on how to make a shake. Now we're all ready. So the ingredients are pretty simple. You will need first and foremost the Formula One shake. Along with it, you'll also need shake meat, which is your milk powder, and with that you'll also need a protein powder. Okay, so you might not be familiar with this. So personalized protein powder comes in a smaller size as well as a bigger size. So we're currently using the bigger one, and along with this, what I personally use and recommend is also Herbalife Active Fiber Complex. Okay, so how to make a shake? You would first need to take a blender and add to it about 300 ml of water. Okay, so after adding 300 ml of water, you then add Formula One. You open it, and within it you'll also find a scoop inside. So you add 3 scoops of Formula One. 1, 2. Because this is rose kheer, it is pink in color. So different flavors has its own unique taste and color. Okay, so that was 3. After which you add your shake mate. So this again has its own scoop inside, so you don't need to worry. So you add 2 scoops of shake mate. 1 and 2. So this is your milk powder. This is very important and very essential, is because outside milk is not, it's high in fat. So this is actually less in fat and more in protein. So it's actually very good for you. And finally, you add your personalized protein powder to, have those big gains and, build your muscles. So it has its own scoop. You just need to add 1 scoop of this. Okay. And finally, what I personally add to my shake is active fiber complex. So what does active fiber complex do? It basically boosts the fiber quantity in the shake and helps you good digestion as well. So you add 1 scoop of this, and with this your complete shake is ready. It's very simple and very easy. So along with this, what do I personally add is also ice cubes. If you're a person who loves cold stuff, or like cold things, this is actually pretty good. So you add 2 to 3 ice cubes, and with that you are ready, you are completed. So you just place your lid on the blender, make sure your blender is on, and then you just put it over here. Place it, make sure you might not have this blender, yeah, and that's it, and blend. Come. So you just take it out, open your lid, serve. And have. It's as simple as that. It's very easy and very delicious. If you're used to the Indian flavors, it's actually pretty good, pretty tasty and pretty amazing. So this is what I usually have for my breakfast and lunch, and this is exactly which helped me to lose weight, and not only me, it also helped a lot of people to lose weight and also build their muscle. So thank you so much everyone for watching. So yeah, one more thing. You can also not only use a blender, but you can also use a shaker cup. Okay, if you feel like you don't have a blender and maybe you want to travel, so you can use a shaker cup. Just shake it in it, mix and have. So that's it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Cheers.